vaccine hesitancy. They don't want to take vaccines. Most of the villages, they are having this kind of a mentality that why the vaccines now, I mean, there is no coronavirus. That's a decrease. So there is lot of hesitancy by the vaccine now. So in that moment, they release the vaccinations.
Yeah, like if you see the so-called vaccine hesitancy movement, it's most of the people who have been using holistic medicine, who've been using alternative natural wellness remedies and methods, as opposed to they've already experienced the bad end of the modern medical paradigm, and they've shifted to the natural way.
So the problem is with the fundamentals of the education.
Right.
People are not questioning it. People, even the educated people, are getting an ego. Their ego levels are increasing because someone is telling. I mean, they have a mentality that once you question the vaccination process, that means you are questioning the science itself.
Right.
So, but that's not the thing here. The vaccine. So, in most of the people, the so-called vaccines are the most medicine or something like that.
Yeah.
So most scientific nature medical thing, medical instrument or medical weapon.
Yeah.
So they think that vaccine is the most advanced medicine, that it is created to help the humanity and these kind of things.
Yeah.
So they think that we are anti-science. The questioning itself will make a point that you are questioning the science.
Yeah.
You are questioning they're not even. So if you ask them how the vaccines are made, if you ask them what are the vaccines and all, they don't even know a single thing about the vaccination.
Yeah, the ingredients itself, like before I used to tell people go look at the ingredients, but that itself is vaccine manufacturers don't reveal all the ingredients because they say it's to protect their intellectual property. So even that, you can't say anymore because
yeah. So now the ingredients, even the ingredients is so even before going into the ingredients, what is the I mean, these are the new vaccinations.
Yeah.
The first thing that if you go to any other hotel, a new hotel, or to eat a food, so you will have so much of research on Zomato and Google reviews and everything. Is it the food tasty or not? Is it the food hygienic or not?
Yeah.
The cleanliness, are they maintaining the things? How the people are reviewing it? How the people are responding? So much of data that you are getting before you are going into the hotel. So now why people are not questioning the same rigorously, same mentality, why they are not generating towards the vaccinations?
Yeah.
So vaccination is not a ultimate tool. The ultimate tool is your body.
Yeah.
Your own immune system is so when you're having a problem with your own immune system, so when you're the most of the things most of the things that goes into the body is our food.
Yeah.
So food brings a immunization.
Yeah, food
so
is
food
medicine.
Without food we are nothing. You cannot even live without food. After 1 week, after 15 days, you will collapse.
Yeah.
You can't live with the vaccinations.
Yeah.
You can't live with the tablets.
I think water is even more important than all
even the water.
Yeah.
So these are the main things that goes daily into our body.
Yeah.
So that means if your immune system is weak, that means there is something wrong in what you are taking.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the medication system itself is a supportive system.
Yeah.
So the main fundamentals of the vaccine is to generate an antibody. So if you're not having sufficient antibodies, then you can go and take vaccination. Okay. Not all the immune people should not take the vaccination. You are already having a infection. You are already passed out of the infection. SARS-CoV infections or pneumonic infections are influenza infections, these are all generates the same kind of antibodies what vaccine is doing.
Yeah.
Even after you are having a natural infection, why you have to take again the same, why you have to take the vaccination itself is nothing but you generate an infection inside your body and generate antibodies, neutralizing antibodies.
Yes, and,
you already
and antibodies are not even the entire immunity. They are just one part of the spectrum.
Yeah. Antibodies are nothing but the proteins.
Yeah.
That energy.
Yeah.
Energy to fight with the disease.
Yes.
So if you don't have energy, if you don't have sufficient energy before taking vaccine.
Yeah.
If you don't have a proper energy before taking vaccine, even the vaccine will kill you.
Yeah.
A vaccine will generate the ADRs, adverse reactions inside your body. In the long term, your body will has to suffer.
Yeah.
So that means, the fundamental thing is we don't have energy. That's why we are suffering with this SARS-CoV-2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the fundamental. So we don't have immune system. So it is attacking our immune system and everything. That's the basic thing, fundamental thing.
Yeah.
So if you don't have energy to the vaccine itself, okay.
Yeah.
So what vaccine?
Yeah, exactly.
So why they are not checking everyone their immune system?
I mean, they are the ones being immediately affected. Is what my theory is.
Yeah, if you don't have energy, the vaccine itself is creating a mild disease.
Yeah.
Even if the person don't have energy to go through the mild diseases also, mild fever or mild symptoms also.
Yeah.
So how it will affect, how vaccine will work on him?
Yeah.
The vaccine itself will give ADR to him.
Yeah.
So if the vaccination is not proper, is not properly made, or there, for example, we spoke about inactivation of the virus, or mRNA. If the vaccination, there is so much of logistic problem, and there is so much of contamination problem inside the vials of the vaccination.
Yeah.
So the vaccination itself is not proper.
Yeah.
It will even affect more to the person who has less immunity.
Yeah.
So instead of SARS-CoV-2, he will suffer more with the vaccine.
Yeah, true. I mean, it's like they're culling out the weakest among us. If you look at it from an esoteric and a occult angle, in a dark occult way, it's like the mass human sacrifice going on. Like if you look at it from the subtle energy aspect as well, like if your prana and your chi is low, is when you get like disease, because just like how the earth has an atmosphere around it which stops asteroids and meteors from coming and they burn off, right? So we also have a field around us which is burning off things we don't need. So if that is weak, like
so that's the problem with the, and why they are actually going for why the people, even the intelligent people, educated people, and they're also having a vaccination because they are thinking there is no alternative. So that means the the public health system or the government is not providing the alternate system to the people. So they have degraded the herbal product. So they have degraded the herbal products as a non-scientific.
They're taking quantum medicine and try to make it particle medicine, like how allopathy is.
Yeah. So the problem with the education system is we are having the half information with us. The other part of the information they are not showing it. So the problem we have that for thousands of years we don't have this medical system that now we are dependent on. We don't have this medical system, but before that we have survived. The humanity survived without this medical system. This medical system is just
hundreds of years old. That's all.
Maybe in 200 or 100 years back. it just came like it's just a newborn baby.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a, so this medical system is not, and also in India, this medical system came even after World War II.
Yeah. Yeah.
Extensive. The antibiotics came after World War II.
Yeah.
Before that, we are even 1980s, 1970s, people are mostly dependent upon the these herbal medicine. So even the toothpaste, they used to make it as a neem stick or these kind of, there are no toothpaste that time.
Yeah, no
the
fluoride.
Toothpaste came after 1970 and all those things.
Yeah.
And the bottled waters and everything, they came after the plastic increased and the plastic technology increased and the packaging industry came in. Then the medical system is coming in the bottles and the packs and everything.
Yeah.
So before that, there is no medicine at all. This just a new one.
Yeah.
And the problem here is the invasions. I mean, the Islamic invasion and the British invasion has created a void in between the years.
Yeah.
And we lost the generations of the knowledge.
Yeah.
And the education system after independence, it has blocked the entire knowledge stream.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which the ancestral knowledge that we have lost.
Yeah.
We have not revived it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because of that, it's creating a confusion.
Yeah. True. Right now, what we're going through is, schools and colleges are just government indoctrination camps to make us just another drone in their system, the way I see it.
Yeah.
So there's no free thinking allowed. There's no thinking which goes beyond the box. They keep saying think outside the box, but who created that box? Like in the first place, why do we have a box?
Yeah, think
there?
outside the box means, so you have to question about the vaccines also.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. The problem with intellectuals, I feel is they have been everything they have done so far, they've gone to the best college, they've got the best job, they've got the highest salary. In between all that, they forgot that there's a lot we don't know yet. There's a lot science doesn't know yet. And they just blindly follow science, but this is scientism. Science is asking questions. Science is asking, how did that happen? Why is that happening? Yeah. Is that true? All those questions are science, and nobody is doing science. They're doing scientism.
So that's the problem. So before they go into the solution for the entire coronavirus or any diseases, you have to empty your mind and think what is best for humanity.
Yeah.
So when you think that what is best for humanity, you are here fighting with the disease. That means you are the health system.
Yeah.
So you have to question how the health system came.
Yeah.
And what they are using it. What kind of a medicines they are using to counter the diseases. So are those medicines are enough to create and to fight with present viruses or any diseases?
Yeah.
So once they question these kind of a thing, then they will know. For example, the medical recently we have a data that we fought with the second wave with outdated science,
right?
Outdated medical science. So that is the recent article just today. It came. We fought with the coronavirus with outdated medical prescriptions.
Right.
That means the science that we are using to counter the viral replication or to stop the viral replication inside viral road. So viral road inside our body is not at all a science. Right. So they removed the remdesivir, they removed steroids. Steroids are creating mucormycosis.
Yeah.
They removed the ivermectin. They are removed the vitamins recently. Yeah. So all these medicines, what they are telling is they are not useful. They are not anyway. They are not working on any of the people. Maybe some people they might work, but then the chemicals that they are using inside the body have a lot of chemical reactions it's giving.
Right.
So the disease is, see, the coronavirus is the viral replication is decreasing, but it is giving these medicines.
Right.
So there are a lot of side effects by using these kind of medicines. But now what's happening is, so we fought with the corona for telling remdesivir is no use, steroids are no use,
Yeah.
or ivermectin are no use. Who is recommending? I mean, they're telling ivermectin is not used. So how the people are getting recovered?
Yeah.
Without any medicine, you're yourself telling medicines are not working on the, I mean, there is no use of these medicines. Then how people recover?
Yeah.
So the medical part is only the ultimately your body, whichever the medicine you use, allopathy or homeopathy or sitapathy or anything, the only medicine that you have to, the only thing that, I mean, you are getting recovered from the disease, any disease is ultimately your immune system. The medicine is only the supporting part of it.
Yeah.
The medicine is only the supporting part of it. Okay. Ultimately, your body has to fight with it.
You're doing the healing eventually. Yeah.
Yeah. The medicine is you're giving the energy.
Yeah.
Energy to the
resources,
biological metabolism system of your body.
Yeah.
You are giving energy to the metabolism system of your body.
Yeah.
So that means you are just giving a support system through the medicine or the vaccine to your body to fight with the disease. That's all. That's the part of it.
Yeah.
So here we are doing the we are comparing with the medical, I mean, herbals and Ayurveda, traditional methods or English medicines.
Right.
So the English medicines that we are using is lab made.
Yeah.
So the herbal medicines are coming from the nature.
Yeah.
In the lab made medicines, even the pharmacist has to take a reference from the herbal chemicals.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a component isolated from a plant which they are creating in a lab, right? That's what.
So through chromatography and all, they will create a chemical structure, and with that chemical structure, artificially they will make a of that chemical compound in the lab.
Right.
That's all. So
and they don't check for bioavailability. They don't check how it interacts with other things. Nothing.
Yeah, the side effects and all are very high. So what if we take the herbal itself? For example, RDRP inhibitor.
Right.
So there are viral inhibitors. So without depending upon the vaccines, why the manufacturing people? I mean, why these people? I mean, medical pharmacists are not concentrating on the drug manufacturing.
Right.
Because in the drug manufacturing, they couldn't go